Super Microcomputer had a wild ride in 2024. It was a year marked by dramatic highs and lows, much like a roller coaster ride. Investors and market analysts were on the edge of their seats, watching every move the company made. First, the stock went through the roof. The initial surge was driven by a wave of optimism and excitement. Investors were thrilled as the stock price soared to unprecedented heights, reflecting the market's high expectations for the company's future. Investors were excited about AI. The buzz around artificial intelligence was palpable, and Super Microcomputer was right at the heart of it. The company's servers, which are essential for AI operations, were in high demand, fueling the stock's meteoric rise. SMCI makes the servers that power AI. These servers are the backbone of AI technology, handling massive amounts of data and complex computations. The company's expertise in this area positioned it as a key player in the rapidly growing AI industry. Then, the stock crashed back down to earth. What happened? The sudden drop caught many by surprise, leading to a wave of panic and uncertainty. Investors who had been riding high were now scrambling to understand the reasons behind the sharp decline. There were some real problems at the company. Margins got squeezed. People worried about fraud. Investors lost faith. Reports of financial irregularities and shrinking profit margins began to surface, shaking the confidence of even the most optimistic investors. But SMCI is still a major player in a booming industry. Despite the setbacks, the company's core business remains strong. The demand for high-performance servers continues to grow, driven by advancements in AI and other technologies. Can they turn things around in 2025? The new year brings new opportunities and challenges. The company's leadership is focused on regaining investor trust and addressing the issues that led to the stock's decline. Let's dig in and find out. We'll explore the strategies that Super Microcomputer is implementing to recover and thrive in the competitive tech landscape. Join us as we delve into the details and uncover what the future holds for this pivotal player in the AI revolution. Supermicro isn't a household name, but behind the scenes this company is making waves in the tech industry. It's a crucial part of the AI boom, providing the backbone for many of the advancements we see today. They build the servers that run AI applications, ensuring that these powerful systems have the hardware they need to function efficiently. Think of them as the picks and shovels during a gold rush. Everyone wants AI, and everyone needs the tools to make it happen. And they all need SMCI's servers to make it work. These servers are the unsung heroes, powering everything from machine learning algorithms to complex data analysis. This is a great business to be in right now. The demand for AI technology is skyrocketing, and companies like Supermicro are at the forefront of this revolution. Demand for AI servers is exploding. Every industry from healthcare to finance is looking to integrate AI into their operations, and they need reliable hardware to do so. And SMCI is one of the few companies that can build them at scale. Their ability to produce high-quality servers in large quantities sets them apart from the competition. This gives them a real edge in a competitive market. With their expertise and capacity, they are well positioned to meet the growing needs of the AI industry. The innovation doesn't stop at just building servers. Supermicro is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, designing new and more efficient systems. Their commitment to innovation ensures that they stay ahead of the curve, providing cutting-edge solutions that keep the AI revolution moving forward. With a global reach, Supermicro is not just a player in the US market but a significant force worldwide. Their servers are used by companies across the globe, making them a key player in the international tech landscape. They are also committed to sustainability, developing energy-efficient servers that reduce the environmental impact of data centers. This focus on green technology is becoming increasingly important as the world looks to reduce its carbon footprint. Over the years, Supermicro has achieved numerous milestones, earning recognition for their contributions to the tech industry. Their journey from a small company to a major player is a testament to their vision and hard work. As we look to the future, the role of companies like Supermicro will only become more critical. Their servers will power the next generation of AI innovations, driving progress in ways we can only begin to imagine. The engine room of the AI revolution is a dynamic and exciting place, and Supermicro is right at its heart. Their work ensures that the AI dreams of today become the realities of tomorrow. So the next time you hear about a breakthrough in AI, remember the unsung heroes behind the scenes. Companies like Supermicro are making it all possible. one server at a time. At the start of 2024, SMCI stock was on fire. The share price went up over 300%. Investors were piling in, everyone wanted a piece of the AI pie, and SMCI was serving up big profits. Their servers were in high demand. They were signing huge deals with big tech companies. The future looked bright. For a while it seemed like SMCI could do no wrong. But then, things took a turn. The good times didn't last. The initial euphoria surrounding SMCI's rapid rise in stock price was short-lived, and the company soon found itself facing a series of challenges that would test its resilience and strategic acumen. SMCI's stock price crashed almost as fast as it rose. What went wrong? Investors and analysts alike were left scratching their heads, trying to piece together the puzzle of SMCI's sudden downturn. A few things happened at once. It was a perfect storm of adverse events that converged to create a challenging environment for the company. First, their profit margins started to shrink. This was a significant red flag for investors who had been banking on the company's continued profitability. Competition in the server market was heating up. New entrants and established players alike were vying for a piece of the lucrative server market. Companies like Dell and HP were moving in on SMCI's turf. These tech giants had the resources and brand recognition to pose a serious threat to SMCI's market share. This forced them to lower prices, which hurt their profits. Investors got worried. The pressure to remain competitive led to pricing strategies that eroded profit margins, causing further concern among stakeholders. Then came the fraud allegations. Just when it seemed things couldn't get worse, the company was hit with accusations that would shake investor confidence to its core. A short seller accused SMCI of accounting irregularities. These allegations suggested that the company's financial statements might not be as reliable as previously thought. This spooked investors even more. The market reacted swiftly and harshly, with many investors choosing to sell off their shares in a bid to cut their losses. The combination of shrinking profit margins, increased competition, and fraud allegations created a volatile mix that sent SMCI's stock into a tailspin. The company now faced the daunting task of regaining investor trust and stabilizing its financial position in an increasingly competitive market. Section 5 Forensic Investigation clearing the air. SMCI denied the fraud allegations. They hired a forensic accounting firm to investigate. After months of scrutiny, the investigation found no evidence of fraud. This was good news for SMCI, but the damage was already done. The investigation had created uncertainty and doubt. Investors were still wary. Section 6 Supermicro in 2025. Navigating a competitive landscape. So, what's next for SMCI? The demand for AI servers is still growing. This is a huge market opportunity, but the competition is fierce. SMCI needs to innovate. They need to stay ahead of the curve. They need to convince investors that they are a safe bet. Section 7 Challenges and Headwinds. Can Supermicro overcome past mistakes? SMCI faces some big challenges in 2025. The competition is fierce. Margins are under pressure, and they need to win back investor trust. It won't be easy. They need to be smart, they need to be efficient, and they need to execute flawlessly. If they can do all that, they have a chance to turn things around. Section 8 Should you invest in Supermicro? Weighing the risks and rewards. Is SMCI a buy? That's the million-dollar question. There's potential for big rewards, but there are also big risks. The AI market is on fire. SMCI is a key player in this market. If they can overcome their challenges, their stock could soar again. But the competition is intense. The fraud allegations, even if unfounded, have damaged their reputation. Section 9 Lessons from the roller coaster. What investors can learn from Supermicro's wild ride. SMCI's story is a cautionary tale. It reminds us that even in a booming market, not all stocks go up. Investors need to be careful. Do your research. Don't get caught up in the hype. Look for companies with strong fundamentals. Pay attention to margins, and be wary of companies facing fraud allegations. Section 10 The road ahead. Can Supermicro recapture its former glory? Can SMCI soar again in 2025? It's possible, but it won't be easy. They need to execute flawlessly, and they need to win back investor trust. Keep a close eye on their earnings reports. Watch for new product announcements and see if they can regain their competitive edge. 2025 will be a make-or-break year for Supermicro.